Alright, so I'm now done editing my railways and I have to give it a symbol. So I'm just going to say rail, and then we have our railroad here. I'll click OK. So as you can see, I have my railroad here from Yeji to these towns. I can't mention their names. So, and then we have that of Prang to Biposo before Ebua. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to edit, which is the last and final one, will be the footpath. I'll right click on it, same, and then start editing, and then create a footpath. I usually prefer using freehand. Alright, so you have to create a footpath linking towns that do not have roads. Linking towns that do not have roads. At least maybe from Zamarama to this town, there should be a footpath. And then maybe from this town straight to here too, there should be a footpath. Alright, so I think, alright, then this place too. So you can go to editor and then say stop editing. Okay, so I'm now going to label my footpath too. Footpath, say search. Okay, so you can select any of these, but the color should be, I think this one will be okay. Okay, so we now have our topographical map of Yeji, Poo district, sorry. Well, the next thing I'm going to do is now going to give our map a title, insert the scale, the legend, and the rest. As you all know, we can all do that. But you know, most of the topo map has grid system, so I'm going to insert the grid system in our map too. But first of all, I would want to insert the title first. Our map title, yeah. So insert title. You can just type Poo district. Okay, and you can decide to change the size as well. Okay, I have Poo district here. I'm now going to insert my north arrow. I'll be doing that later, but I want us to now insert our grid system. So you go to view data frame properties. As you can see, click on grids, new grids. You select measured grids. The appearance should always be labeled solely. We don't want it crossing over inside our map. Then you click finish, apply, and as you can see, we have our grid. We have our grid lines here. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm now going to insert our our scale bar. So I'll choose 1 for miles, which is in miles, yeah, and then click OK. Alright. I have a scale in miles here. I'm now going to set another scale bar, which will be in kilometers. So you can just come here and then change the division unit to kilometers, and then click apply. Okay. I have my scale here in kilometers. I will not drag it, bring it down here this way. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the scale in statement form. You click on scale text. Yeah, so I don't want 1 centimeter equal to, I'll just 1 centimeter to, and then you click OK. Alright, so I have it here 1 centimeter to 4 kilometers. 1 centimeter to 4 kilometers, which is usually inserted here in the middle of our map. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the north arrow, and you can scroll down here. There are so many of them, the design that you want, but I want to go for all the designs. I think, yeah, I'll choose that of survey and check the design I want to. Okay, so I'll choose the survey north 17. This usually shows the true north and then the grid north. Alright, I'll just minimize it this way. Maybe I'll insert my north arrow right here. Yes, alright, so finally I'm now going to insert our legend. Alright, we have our legend here this way. Okay, over here we want to arrange them very well. So the next thing we are going to do is we all know roads are on top of lakes, same as rivers. Forest reserve. So you now arrange them okay. So the set number of columns in your legend, as you can see, most of the time when we create a legend, it will be in the form of a it will be in vertical order, in the vertical form, and then it will make your map some kind of clumsy. So over here I'll set the columns on my legend to be maybe 9, and then say next. Okay, you can choose to write either key or legend here, and then you click next. Yes. Alright, so with roads, the line I want it to be in the form of arc, and then that of railway should be straight. Footpath should also be in the form of arc. Rivers, we have flowing water here. Lakes, lake is an area, it covers and it's a polygon, so you click here. Water body, contour lines, I want them this way too. Forest reserve, which is also a distant natural area, and then the pond also be a water body, and then the marshy area I'll choose a natural area. So with that of natural reserve, I'll choose a park of reserve, and then click finish. So as you can see, I have my legend here, very tiny though.